It has been some time since the Toyota Vios of the latest generation debuted internationally. Since the platform of the outgoing model dates back to 2013, it is also the first truly all-new model in a very long time. But although the Vios finally receives a complete makeover, the Yaris, a hatchback, continues to use the old chassis. To make up for it, Toyota somewhat updated the compact hatch for the 2023 model year. The new Yaris has a face that is similar to the Prius from the previous generation. The front bumper is completely redesigned to integrate the smaller grille and wider center aperture, and the headlight clusters are far longer than they were before. To put it mildly, the new face is controversial, and we have no doubt that people will have different views on this makeover. The fenders and hood are unchanged despite the significant modification up front. The rest of the car's body has undergone more minor changes. It receives a new set of wheels, more diffusers for the rear bumper, and an updated tailgate spoiler. For this minor model update, the door skins, quarter panels, and tailgate remain the same. Regarding the interior, it is virtually the same as the present model. All owners of Vios and Yaris should be able to recognize the dashboard because it hasn't changed much since 2018. The new Yaris, on the other hand, has a larger touchscreen that protrudes from the center. A minor modification to the instrument cluster is also made, with new colored multi-information located next to the speedometer. The facelifted Yaris has a 1.2-liter, four-cylinder engine rather than the typical 1.3-liter and 1.5-liter options, at least for the Thai market. The 1.2-liter is too much below the Philippine spec 1.3-liter, which produces 97 horsepower and 123 Nm, in terms of horsepower and torque. A CVT is the only possible transmission.